So, my name is Ken Latino, and today I want to share a story about, kind of a story about hope, gratitude, selflessness, and frankly, second chances. So, my story begins about 3 years ago. I was about 55 years old at that time. Up until that point, I really had zero medical issues. Throughout my whole life, I was pretty active. I jogged multiple times a week. I walked with my wife. So I was feeling pretty good. And then I guess it was 2022, around the May time frame. And I noticed when I was jogging, I was more out of breath than I normally would be. And, I had some chest pain, which frankly I'd never had before. And I just kind of wrote it off as, it would maybe indigestion or something that would go away. And I noticed if I just kind of, let my heartbeat go down a little bit, it felt okay again. So I kind of ignored some of the obvious signs. So one morning I was, this had gone on for several weeks. And one morning I was just sitting down, watching television, and I had chest pain that did not go away. And I was not active. I wasn't doing anything prior to that. So we kind of batted around. What should I do? Should I go to the local doctor's office? Or, and I think my wife, out of an abundance of caution, said, "You know what? You look a little pale. Tell you what, why don't we call 911?" So we did that. Went to the hospital, and sure enough, they did blood tests. And my troponin levels were, if I remember right, it was like 19,000. So clearly they told me I was having a heart attack, which I was dumbfounded. I just couldn't imagine having a heart attack. So the next, I can't remember, next day or maybe even that day, they did a cardiac cath. And I remember distinctly the doctor saying, "Stop, stop, stop." And I could hear him talking about something related to dissections. So what they told me was, I had this condition of spontaneous coronary artery dissections, where I guess the interior of the artery was peeling back, and I guess blood gets behind it and clots, and that causes a blockage. So not your common, cholesterol buildup or anything like that. It was kind of this oddball thing. Which, by the way, was pretty rare for a 55-year-old male. So I said, "Well, what do we do about it?" And they said, "Well, we don't have to do anything about it. We're going to treat it with medication, and most of the time, it corrects itself. It heals itself." So I said, "Okay." Well, I felt good. I felt good about that.